Have you noticed your cat sneezing all the time? An occasional sneeze is normal, but constant sneezing may signal something more. Frequent sneezing often means your pet's immune system is under stress. When immunity is low, pets are more vulnerable to infections and take longer to recover. Watch for other signs: reduced appetite, low energy, or persistent coughing. These can be clues that your pet needs attention sooner rather than later. Simple steps: a vet check, balanced nutrition, and daily immune support can make a big difference in preventing small problems from becoming serious. If your cat sneezes often, book a vet. Visit Ask about safe daily immune support options to keep your pet healthier and happier. Your pet will thank you.